And tonight we will explain to you why foolish people are not supposed to be taken serious when it comes to the fight against illegal mining. Now, galamsey wasema. We cannot leave out the NPP. We cannot leave out the NPP. My voice is hurting a little bit, but it's good. Now, man, we or a former NPP MP, and ya so too, or say, Nidin Ede, or say a Dr. Dixon, Adumakun Kisi, NPP for Mufra Bema, Omu MPs no Mufra Bemupe, automatically some be nyansa for Omu Abema Mwa. This gentleman said, Wakabi been there, or say, it is not about declaring a state of emergency. It's about going after financiers of galamsey, sorry. Or say, or no, or your MPP ni, or your former MP. The idea say, abandoning declare state of emergency, or say, and then is the solution. Or say state of emergency na, ni onwangasa ni MPP. Asori anopa eye de say, John Mahama declare state of emergency, or say, yani kwete so ni yanye. Na enye no na be solve galamsey problem no. The be solve galamsey problem na say, I was say aban ehwehwe omo a omo di sika ehye galamsey mu omo mu hye kire a omo di sika no ehye mu na se yanhwe eno a sa state of emergency no enya ade a ebetumi stop eye de galamsey no ma yensu de ni ate we MPP ni te me ye nyina kuta card otua dues me so me tua dues inti technically MPP for no they have gotten to that point they are realizing say state of emergency no enya eno na ebetumi solve eye de galamsey the problem no. In 2024, time and people like myself, they be an example. You're calling for state of emergency no. It was because President Ejina Akachre say Minerals Commission Akachre chairman want to be illegal mining no. President said Minerals Commission boa. The same time no, na sector minister from Poboati at the document command say the party for galamsey. President said enfano. The same time, you know, you president Nebusian for Nenafo na the chairman want to me omoya galamsey president Lenitia. At that point, you know, we realized say the government wasn't doing anything and they were not willing to do anything. So the only thing we thought was the best to do no was to call to make sure say you declare state of emergency. But we have crossed that path where we have a new government that is willing to make sure the aye kanin na obetie na odibeye juma. The first thing I buy for way I say, Oma will be a license say onkoye mining. Meaning 2,500 licenses they kufuado any MPP for the galamsey for no and then there we are all trying to stop. Secondly, I buy way by no a forest na answer na John Mahama Efra Bemu 2016 na ya tuma yesema wo bia mine ho no ekufuado ne MPP for ba omiamo omo be bie forest no na MPP for eco forest na omo ye den omo di de asase no omo twa koko tugu omo twa nnua tugu na virgin forest ade e bo ho ban no na do dan ko ekufuado ne ba omiamo ebe bie tu mu NDC aban aba John Mahama said no oba beto sa forest nim because obia ni ho kwan say obekọ your forest nim akoye de galamsey until you can see the difference between MPP and NDC. The NDC is willing and they are ready to fight illegal mining. MPP were enablers. Omo na omo ma eye insuo na asay no. Omo na omo ma green light no. Omo na omo be a flat gate no. Until omo ngasa MP catch Ghana for say MPP for Eka say state of emergency also omo Jimmy because state of emergency no say oye ne na en solve problem no problem ni nyina say ye bechi obi tise chairman wontumi atum ye bechi obi a oye tien galamsey odi ne sika ehyem atum na state of emergency no say wo de to ho a na say omo mukuta sika na omo ehyem kina no omo da ho ho a galamsey no ensi eno na abrante we a se bi okọ opposition wo hu nyansa no ekyerkyerem Atre Ghana for say mama MPP for ndi oka MPP for ho state of emergency no mo ka no onim so mo anka sampo ma anya ifri say no mo nkofo na ye gala no na ende no because aban we A2 anamon aban we e kire say mo pese mo kono ebe hia say state of emergency de betu baby na aban hyehye a waye no san hyehye no ebetumi akọ galamsey aban hyehye ni bi na makeka kire wo no enti sa wotie MPP ni say oti radio so TV so akogina nso bi ho abutu ho ejimi a oya aboa every say on person obadwini say nipa. These are very important things. And it is say your money is so complicated. This is simple. And then Monday a holiday. anytime menya botra me dwodwom kakra ma Ghana fo nyina ate ase na ye gina illegal mining so anase ye gina galaso ne de den o se eboa obi ama na asem ekoduru bibia wo se du. Now I'm sure ade bi and the MPP for person creating impression be say Ghana nsuo no 6 months 8 months here NDC ba power and I say MPP for the Jimmy o me hu bi da me hu a group of piglets who are refusing to admit say someone free omu Jimmy mu a there's no way a Ghana for be take you serious. Now the NPP want to create an impression say Ghana for mu Muje, and the insuring in say a yandis in Abba Sensuni 8 months into Omon and Amunsos no more press conference. That's fine. Obiani Omunkuntokwa. Now, this was in 2021. I'm building it from the back. Send Beya Bomu say, Miracle Aboagye and Sankwasi Afono, Omwe Jimmy. You are not supposed to take them serious. Now, in 2021, this is evidence based issues they can want them. Johnny Hughes, media general for journalist, morning show, TV studio radio so. MP before call Central Region some press conference say, Sibia Suria say no. This is the first time a Ghana phone Suria say Miracle Aboagye o Yusuba Umia say cash cow edinyeska. Now Johnny Hughes be posti bibi catch Ghana for say MP before ende ebe catch Ghana for say Ghana nsuo say or remind Ghana for say in 2021 time na MPP was no this was a news cover about Ghana nsuo and the MPP they na nsuo ni aye into Troy and I'm still waiting for the MPP to have a press conference to say he's lying right now no so want to me emba out emba say obi boa and therefore Jimmy tinefie or see this picture was taken in April 2021 after a tour of the Central and Western region by Honorable Kojo Opon Nkrumah, Information Minister, Samuel Abujinapo, Land and Natural Resources, Cecilia Dapa, Water and Sanitation, the two regional ministers with their entourage. I showed it on Johnny's Bite then. Note, the Interministerial Committee Against Illegal Mining, that's the IMCIM, had been dissolved then. I'm just sharing the information. In 2021 no time ministers no ene ne ko share eye insuo a na galamsey say no e was Central and Western region ana Kojo Opon Nkrumah ka ho na Land Minister eye de Samuel Abujinapo ka ho na Cecilia Dapa ka ho no omukọ 2021 no insuo no eninie baby a na omukọ ye obuka say insuo ni ase omukọ ye video no the same place in 2021 baby am say Ghana Water Company e was Central region. This is the same water. Now remember Okachira mu say sa interministerial committee na omote say ebeko galamsey no in 2021 na yegu no 2021 no na yegu no enti say sa interministerial your friend saying interministerial committee against illegal mining sa adena ekufuado te no ehon fa so ba na yenyaye and omo de sa IMCIM enye sika no te say Charles Bisu Kromfo no odi Canada Japan echi Ewifo na omo sa committee nim no and omo na asa cha omo hu mienu ebi di Canada echi e ebi di ba omi echi Kojo Opon Nkrumah mo e di ba omi echi Samuel Abujinapo mo di ba omi echi Charles Bisu a ehun so oje bribe TV so as a member of the IMCIM no ono di Canada Japan into the same group into sooner MPP for some press conference wo ho water company na almost say insurance say na in the same place in year 2021 enti said Miracle Aboagye abegina TV so catch us an ye hu bi da mo ye de nsona ye e na odi kusie de nachi de bia MPP bedi nkwase asem a obokwa santimem ko yikusie baako Paul Yando wadane kusie na odi omachi e na omu use so apofi de bia MPP petumi a mo ba santimem no ba yigimi ni baako no mo de na kodi nkwase asem Omukwa demonstration no ye hu achimni bia so ogina ho time na omo power no Paul Yando no mo hu se kusie ba tan na omo mpese obeben tumi mpo abekasa and power call no yakotam kusie akodi Miracle Aboagye chi se munko jimi mu hu onsuo ho. This is the same place 2021. Now the most interesting thing about the me bo say me pese me bo Miracle Aboagye ankasa video call ye do ho no me wi na ma kire wade bi why Miracle Aboagye And he said, Jimmy Nikratieno. He's desperate for attention. We diba omiasika. Ya pamono as an MC. Mekachen says, onye ria. He should come and show us his termination letter. Time me for pamono as an MC. He's a criminal. As I speak, on to me proving Chagana for say, enya kronunti pamono. Oyeri, he's desperate. He wants to steal from Baumia because the same person on the Baumia could 38%, you know. And I'm telling you on authority. I know what is coming. Now, Mumian go tie video no because me say me ya de bi kire mo. Mumian go tie miracle Aboagye ni nkusie.
Between 2010 and 2016, the NDC government, which President Mahama was then a vice president and a president at some point, had moved our fairly good water from 40 to 25 poor quality water, and only 15 of these water were fairly good water. It tells you that we have every reason to be worried. We have every reason to be concerned if we are not getting enough assurance from the president looking at his track record. Because between the period of 2010 and 2016, when he was vice president and president, our water bodies deteriorated to a very poor state. Now guess what? When the MPP government took office, between 2017 and 2024, the 25 poor quality water that we inherited were reduced from 25 to 10. And so by the time Nana Donkor was leaving office in December 2024, the 15 fairly good water that the NDC government left had increased from 15 to 29 good water.
It means that as what can be seen, Omwejimi, the same zone almost said, and they are doing a press conference. I don't know if it's a Ghana for Yenjimi yet. This is just 8 months of free power new. In Sona Omujina Hono, time of free power, Omo power no, O sign and Kaudi see one castle and Geninti. But you see, these cockroaches, because majority of Omomudi MPP, Chinomo Jimmy, Omajin War for Munti. Sanko from the party, no, Omojin a Ghana for Yine Jimmy. Anytime I say the foolish masses are the people who are following the NPP. Inti, Wakojina Nsuenim, 8 months of free power. Now, the same miracle Aboagye, time and no to me. No. This is what he said. I'll say, I will demonstrate against government if it bans small-scale mining. Time and no to me. No. We September 2024. Satana Ghana for say, from Pop watching the report about Manya Hoshi. Minerals Commission said, I want to me say, as Manya Hoshi. More forest, ABM Obia Koyamanya Hoshi. Ghana for say, Yam Bane a mining. Na yenye senia yebetuma ko eni because abane nyashi miracle Aboagye ko tena TV so say NPP aban e bane mining because of galamsey or no be demonstration abrantie we anende wahye a Poland for Lacoste abegina wa say echichira motuo mo say die yo say ohye SM say small size o say S ohye die we ohye S ana ohye small say tiny small or T as S. The same person in the 1 year. The same person who come mount it. Akonyawo insured him say insured the our power in less than and some work kind 3 months or say 2 months near Kotwaba. Oka say or no MPP na or ya Baumia campaign manager no or say ono ne MPP no say omo bane mining in Ghana ono omo be demonstration tia MPP and kwasi ampanyi we or the poyando aye the tise kusi a onyem akogya na ji say munhwe ye o enti enya den yama power. Who in their right senses to take the NPP serious? Kwasi ampanyi me born video chemu no ono na sato September ya na o say I will demonstrate against government if it bans small scale mining na Ghana for kasa. You say munya bibi. Someone mon declare state of emergency kura munya bibi mi ehu. Chairman want to me say asase. Keti yemvo say asase. From pop watching the report about ye mo bie forest nama munya bibi. Omuka say no. Afe miracle Aboagye wait na news file, mame kan kire o. O kan story na some o kan any. MPP for me nyan but I say we Jimmy don't listen to them inti ka de mo koye nanke ye nya beto aba mo na inti ne kwakra ne sen ye mam to me moa na mo sa me bie forest no nyan. The spokesperson for the campaign of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, the new Patriotic Party's flag bearer for the 2024 elections, Dennis Miracle Aboagye, has threatened on one kasa threaten na ban also share galamsey na support Bawumia campaign no galamsey na ye ne enne ya sensuo na e ma yesika no opese utwa de galamsey mu Miracle Aboagye tena Joy News threaten na ban sata not only the leading Bawumia communication na Bawumia man sa chance na ko betuma koye Bawumia told him that you dare not go on radio and say or support say young banning mining small scale mining in Ghana. Bawumia man direction said Ghana for say no, because the intentions was that Obube Kunipa keep power. No mas say assassin more. NPP they never thought of losing power. Mina me catch roll. Takonu she never thought to say NPP will lose power. Nana Donkor for he never thought. Bawumia thought he will win the power. So he sat on TV. The same Miracle Aboagye catch the Ghana for say, or no be see the party no say you banning galamsey or Ghana. Now when you read the story, this is what it says. In Mr. Aboagye's view, the calls for a ban on small-scale mining are politically motivated and not in the interest of the country. Or see September. Or see omo kase galamsey sensio ku Ghana for ye won kora no mo say dituno or see sankofo nya politics no mo yom fom kwase anko no ha enya koma pa no mo de kasa sata no wa ban mu kwase ampe yo she Poland for la cost we Miracle Aboagye kwase ampe wa se banchidue yi na no mo dwi say e refi ho na what Ghana no offer Aboagye serious Miracle Aboagye no offer serious oh way Jimmy way politics of insult. So you see, into onim sa MPP for the Jiminti, no afa po yando, ni tise kusia wanyam. Kwasiato, ono, time na ote Ghana 8 years, we wudi nzoni ye, Jimmy, yenimu prekesen se apofi abegina, yes mahama, be yensuo no otwe. Ukroma santimemu nsu papa ben da ho. Galamsey asedi nyina, kokwa demonstration ho. Now, okay, story speaking on Joy News on Thursday, September 19, he said the calls are in the interest of some political groups. So that time not fix the country for a demonstration. Or said that be where politics no more yeah. In Sobian say yeah, more bian cancel galamsey. Miracle Aboagye. The Niasi said the kotra ni egu or kwasia and wakoshe Poland for la cause to say BBSC into yanya dang, what should we do? Yanya dang. Yantam Ghana ne mamwana yanya den inti ebunfu MP NDC mama yan support NDC biom yanya den inti end game ne say what's the end game ntwamwa my say Jimmy for ma modun say Ghana for refi 2 days 3 days where just 7 months ago. You see Osaka say me and I quote Miracle Aboagye no masem pizza for me kind of tree. The proposal they are making is not in the interest of the water bodies. They are making it in the interest of their own political affiliation. End of quote. Or see, Ghana for now, Omatio Mugwa Bontinica say, Ekufuado Abain, Chema Untumi Yagala, Mobile Forest, no. And the Pimpo watching the report about Nina Mosamunya Hoshi. To see a person will be Amonia or say, Omo yes, I did no, a yes, Sebio. Political party be no more joining and ya Ghana and you soon say no. Intina sa time no wajatum say you say you but not on person bejatum say the party na say you no. Wajatum say the party na be gala e be forest no I say you no but politics kwasia boy way foolish boy way or just about to the Ghana for did other agro because I had the full and need any kwasia pay be so person be the president. MPP ankasa omwe Jimmy sameka MPP Jimmy dio naturally foolish omwe Jimmy they still don't think omo just Ghana for nyine Jimmy to say Paul Yando na wo ya santini ba wo di MPP echi kwa santimemu no kohwe ko boasa danse ko be kwai kwa santimemu wo ya regional communications that ade na wonko ho nkoda fom koto de ne bodwe muti Jimmy mu na small boys we use mo wo Yando we nyini cha kwa we. Why when him tum sa po fia ko gina ne Jimmy wo ho papa penyin toto do show about to akogina nsuo ho ukuro ma santimemu ye nya nsuo nom. Now my mention the kudientia MPP for mo Jimmy. Now let's go back. Me chow bibi. Time na MPP tisono see the water. And don't catch it say 6 months, 7 months, 8 months. You shouldn't say this is evidence.
Management of Ghana Water Company Limited in the Central Region is crying out for help as it warns residents could go without water running through their taps for a long time if nothing drastic happens to change the situation. According to them, galamsey activities on the Pra River has resulted in the inadequate raw water received at the Setraheman water treatment plant. They say about 60% of the catchment capacity is silted as a result of illegal mining, compromising the quality of raw water. We'll bring you the statement from Ghana Water Company Limited shortly, but first, excerpts of our documentary, Thirsty Rivers.
Sacred waters, once no-go zones, are now vulnerable to exploitation. Their purity sacrificed at the altar of prophets. What was once protected by deep-seated respect for tradition is now undermined by the clinking of coins as the sacred is sold off piece by piece. The Ghana Water Company continues to post challenges affecting the processing of water for the consuming public. At their water treatment plant here at Setraheman, illegal miners continue to mine very close to the intake point of the company. The water treatment plants, once efficient hubs of purification, now resemble battlefields. Here, modern equipment struggles against overwhelming turbidity levels, constantly straining under the burden. The filtration systems, once designed to handle sediment-free water, now groan under the weight of heavy metals and salts, leading to frequent breakdowns.
So the Setraheman water treatment plant was designed with turbidity levels of about between 800 to 1,000. But now we hit turbidities of about 11,000. Yeah, yesterday I think turbidity was about 9,000. So turbidity, like I told you, you can say is about how unclean the water has become in terms of silts. So water or a treatment plant that is designed to abstract water without silt is now abstracting the water with silt.
Professor David Kofi Suman, an esteemed environmental scientist at the University of Cape Coast, sounds the alarm on the relentless galamsey activities ravaging Ghana's rivers and water bodies. With a deep sense of urgency, he highlights the catastrophic impacts of chemicals seeping into these waters, posing a grave threat to the health of countless Ghanaians.
You see, those days when we clarify water, we use just the water stands for some time and the sediment drops and it becomes clean without adding much chemicals. Today, because of the nature, it's mud. It's not water. They are squeezing water out of mud, and so they will have to add a lot of chemicals, alum, to be able to settle this thing that we are talking about.
In a statement put out by the Ghana Water Company Limited today, the plant is only able to produce about a quarter of its installed capacity. Currently, my colleague Kwekwa Asante has details of the statement.
Very alarming statement put together by the Ghana Water Company Limited, and they say that they've noted, of course, the challenges with water supply in Cape Coast, Elmina and surrounding communities in recent times. Then they go on to provide why exactly this acute water supply challenges is happening. They say the recent demand supply gap is a result of inadequate raw water received at the Setraheman water treatment plant as a result of galamsey. Pollution of the Pra River along its course, and most especially at the catchment for abstraction, has reduced water embankment to the barest minimum. About 60% of the catchment capacity is silted as a result of illegal mining galamsey, compromising the quality of raw water. We are currently recording an average of a turbidity of 14,000 NTU instead of 2,000 NTU designed for adequate treatment. Currently, the plant is able to produce only about 7,500 meter cubic water per day, a quarter of its installed capacity. The situation has caused severe inconveniences to our customers and consumers, and we sincerely apologize. The company is engaging all stakeholders in activity to your community.
Ghana Water Company must do magic, perform magic, and reduce it from 14,000 to 5 NTU. Can you imagine the work that Ghana Water Company has to do before we can get a drop of water to the homes of customers? But Ghanaians are doing this. It's not as if there's no water in the Pra River. But the quality is so bad, we can't abstract more than that. We can't abstract more. In fact, the same thing is happening in Western region, Aboagye, where we abstract the Pra River. Sometimes the galamsey causes, the galamsey operation causes the sand or the silt to gather at the intake that we are not able to use to abstract water. Sometimes we really need to close down the plant, but we can't close it down. So we have to do whatever we can to be able to abstract the little that we can. In fact, this thing must stop. It must not continue. So in fact, now we don't even, in fact, let me say we are now desperate.
I'm sorry, sound. Thank you, team. Now, video now share, the sound went off. I'm sorry. Video now share, this was August 2024. August 2024. That was, NPP was in power. August 2024. And the water na can was the same place, the same central region, almost saying August 2024. The same people today are doing a press conference in central region saying, time on no move free power na in Suneni to say. I've played a video of news reporter, a free Edian, a free central region. Now, my biggest problem the problem I want to see our Ghana, the fight against galamsey, one of the biggest problems the media, and especially multimedia. You see this news coverage I'm lecturing on, Joy News coverage. They have all these materials at their disposal. When the MPP, they were in power, they went to these sites. They saw what damage or the kind of damage na MPP for a year to our environment. Today, they are the ones spearheading the NPP propaganda and agenda against the government that is working for the people. That is my biggest problem. And it hurts me when I say multimedia because my own boss, Erastus at Donkor, he's putting his life on the line to report every single thing on the ground for us to see, irrespective of the party in power. Or start reporting a galamsey issue. Now MPP no power. He's still doing it whilst NDC is in power. But it hurts me say the media which he is part of. I'm talking about the media a company that is multimedia, specifically Joy News. They are making the fight against galamsey very difficult. Because you see, Joy News, multimedia, they have an agenda. And the agenda is that we want to find a way to make this government look bad in the eyes of Ghanaians. So they are going to align themselves with the NPP to lie to us. How can you have these materials at your disposal? You have covered the news in the central region. How under the leadership of Ekufuado Bawumia, ensure what Ghana say, and I say, and so move free power. How can you follow these same criminals to the same location and come back and report as if say what is happening is new and it has never happened before? Because if Joy News or multimedia is a credible platform, the first question they will be asking these people is, why do you want us to follow you to a place you have been before and we saw the damage you have done? In fact, the water body or the water we saw there had already been destroyed even before we went there with you. So why are you today making it look like, say, what we are going to cover or we follow you there will change the narrative? It is only a media house, Akromfo, any fake news, any a media house that is making it difficult for us to fight illegal mining in the BSA. And you see, multimedia, Joy News, they are enabling the NPP to lie to Ghanaians. And you could see the interest it is a paid job they were doing. Oh, yanko krasiwe, yanko busako krawe, yanko bebre. You see, the idea in say we want to do everything as multimedia, Joy News, to make the John Mahama administration unpopular, because since they came to power, they have not paid us money. They have not called us to settle with us. They are not doing what we like. Into the fight against galamsey, no. As much as we are blaming Ghanaians, the media, especially multimedia and Joy News, are the biggest hindrance when it comes to the fight against galamsey. Because if I am an editor or Joy News, be a news editor, now Mabeka say we are NPP. We are going to the central region to go and do a press conference in front of the same Ghana Water Company. You call under your leadership. So that's saying I will tell my reporters not to go. No. Why should my reporters go? Because under your leadership, that is when we saw the distraction. Why are you today going to stand there to tell Ghana for say then it means you, the media house, you are enabling them to lie to the people. Whilst you have evidence whilst you have evidence to prove say what they started, what we are experiencing today, it was started by the NPP. So why are they not being bold to tell Ghana for say, no, we are not going to be part of this strategy of destroying a government that is willing to fight, unless the media house is ready to help the NPP to stop the fight against galamsey, because that's what we are seeing today. That is what we are seeing. That's why I keep saying that Joy News are fake news. Multimedia is one of the worst media houses in Ghana. Very terrible reporters, very terrible news outlet. It is political. What they do is the whole thing is it's about money. The highest bidder. If you don't give us money, we will deliberately decide to lie to the Ghanaian people. And the danger is that they are destroying Ghana. Multimedia, Joy News, almost say Ghana. Now, my mention idea. And the reason why I'm saying is that multimedia, Joy News, and say Ghana, my video the same miracle Aboagye, or not the same Joy News. Joy News somebody in the central region. For him to go fool himself there, no, he sat in the same newsroom. This is what he said. Listen to Miracle Aboagye.
It's a small-scale mining firm employing close to about 5,000 young people in the western region. You are saying that we should ban them for what wrong? What crime has he committed? Because there is armed robbery, everybody should be left at home. Everybody should be kept at home. Is that a sensible way to solve a social canker? That there is a lot of armed robbery, or there's a lot of phone snatching around Circle. So government should ban everybody coming to Circle. That is an emotional way of trying to solve a problem. And that is why I keep telling you that these people who come on TV and radio and talk about ban, they are... It's a small-scale mining firm employing close to about 5,000 young people in the western region. You are saying that we should ban them for what wrong? What crime has he committed? Because there is armed robbery, everybody should be left at home. Everybody should be kept at home. Is that a sensible way to solve a social canker? That there is a lot of armed robbery, or there's a lot of phone snatching around Circle. So government should ban everybody coming to Circle. That is an emotional way of trying to solve a problem. And that is why I keep telling you that these people who come on TV and radio and talk about ban, they are... That there is a lot of armed robbery, or there's a lot of phone snatching around Circle. So government should ban everybody coming to Circle. A small-scale mining firm employing close to about 5,000 young people in the western region. You are saying that we should ban them for what wrong? What crime has he committed? Because there is armed robbery, everybody should be left at home. Everybody should be kept at home. Is that a sensible way to solve a social canker? That there is a lot of armed robbery, or there's a lot of phone snatching around Circle. So government should ban everybody coming to Circle. That is an emotional way of trying to solve a problem. And that is why I keep telling you that these people who come on TV and radio and talk about ban.
This is the same idiots. Kwasia Wayne and Wakujina Central Region. Otina Joy News catch Ghana for say Kwa Western Region kohe. Obi ya illegal mining. Why employ 5,000 people? I didn't think I didn't think I ban into so. That time Ghanaians were calling for a total ban because the government was doing nothing. Remember, so Ghana for not time I calling for a state of emergency. It was because the government was doing nothing. Akwa we continue the same Joy News catch Ghana for say na muma Jimmy ana. Kwa Western Region kohe. Obi ya gala wafani pa 5,000 ejuma. Adentina also abandoned the band Ghana Gala. This is Miracle Aboagye. This is the same fool who is being enabled, and I say Joy News enabling to come fool himself on TV say or no Central Region. This in Kwasiafo when I'm say the fight against galamsey no a media house emanaya dimpa a multimedia Joy News. How can somebody like this sit in your own studio and make such a statement when he was in power? And in less than 8 months, you follow the person to the same destruction that he did and say the person to tell us and say, see what has happened. What kind of stupid Machiavellian tactics is this? Mababe kunipa, mababe sensio, mababe be forest no, mababe hununsueni, move power 2 months, masababe catch and say, adentina and so means that the media house and the party, they are stupid. So whoever is the editor of Joy News is very stupid, very political, and majority of the people are multimedia. No Joy News, no more Jimmy, no ekonaya ding, because we a media house, papa. You tell them say, hey, our credibility is important. Time and more power. Now this is what you said in our studio here. We cannot allow this to happen. You cannot drag us to this place and tell us to say, NDC are saying so no, into NDC in tin so ni. Obi onimi nyansa. Media house are omunya kromfo omunya wifo omo credibility and yes sikanti no boy anase cocaine they will tell the person we are not going to follow you because our credibility is important. Anytime ka Ghana for say the fight against galamsey, the media house are my power Ghana a multimedia Joy News mature evidence intermedia matema. And my boss Erastus Donkor today posted something on social media. Erastus Bibi after Miracle Aboagye Echo Central Region or say, let me officially welcome Dennis Miracle Aboagye to the galamsey fight. Today, I watched him explain the need to fight galamsey because babies are being born deformed. Hey. But before that, he had already posted something on Facebook about how Miracle Aboagye approached him and told him, say, a jumana or you know, a politics the way tree. Besides, get me that. When Erastus was working, besides, get me. The reason why Erastus actually assembly is because time and MPP what power no. Miracle Aboagye confronted Erastus catch and say, hey, what bottom. On the so bad day, galamsey report or Ghana, Satana MPP no what power. This Miracle Aboagye guy, he insulted Erastus for bringing out the truth. And then the Erastus say, ayen wanwa. Ni wanwa, ni wejiri no. Every time the power nidi ye. Say Miracle Aboagye na TV so, akoye press conference say and enkwara and say to yende nsua say ose Miracle Aboagye ose oni Erastus niyema hye no eye ne wanwa ose he's shocked. Team, get me Erastus Facebook post na me fan Ghana for the first one. Ose eye ne wanwa. Yes, I've seen it. Thank you very much, team. Erastus said yen ose ohun Miracle Aboagye gina TV so say ono oka galamsey say and Ghana form for pressure go NDC so na galamsey de omu hu bi da no o say ni yem hye no. Let me read before tweet be o satroye concerning the same Miracle Aboagye. O say, today those who ignored us and tagged us doing politics with galamsey are now ambassadors doing press conference along the same rivers they watched people to pollute. Today, Miracles, who told me I was using galamsey to serve my own agenda, is now an ambassador. Ghana is a very funny country. Tamana Erastus, Ebo Ejuma, Ede report ne ba bonteno. Miracle Aboagye catch Erastus say, "Oya dey, Ejuma na oya na oya man ho, or the politics." And the Miracle at the stage, akojina nsuo hu say, "Oya press conference, ebi nsi da Ghana nsuo say, o say eye ne wanwa." So person can go street so a Erastus Donkor say Miracle Aboagye Jimmy for onim nyansa oye kwasiaba na mbra na wo tumi na oye se adwuma no adan na ono ka che de se adwuma na oye ma ne ho na enya Ghana na oye ma Ghana eye den na de ono akogina wo say asama to Ghana if you say insuo na say so or can street I say no be can but he's being very diplomatic and respectful. But mimi dwuma o say Miracle ya kwasiaba onim nyansa oye Jimmy for sebi oye dwedwantwie oye nipa bia oye pesemi nkuminya oye obia sebio ugini dia na wankasa we Jimmy 40 seba omia every say sa nipa we ena na ye ko eye de illegal mining galamsey ena ohwe menim ka say Now buying a waso, men for me kwasi anko ende. Wabesi stage, wabesi platform say on tiasi nipa ewu inti yenye hu bibi. Osi ni yema sheno. Me yen street swama no. Erastus na kwa sorry, on na Christonia, waka bro for nights. Mi jijam. Now you see where the problem is. Now you see where the problem is. You have to be very vigilant. A media house like multimedia is dangerous to Ghana's development. I'm telling you. Hey, politicians, the multimedia that Ghana for, especially Joy News, it is fake news. Hey, what you some more Joy News? Take your time and go verify from other places. A very dangerous news outlet. Ghana problem. Hey. Politicians take advantage of us for all these years. Multimedia is part. Go back and do your checks. Kwekuba kumu nyina start e twa yetro Joy News no start here. Egbert Fable mo start here Joy News. Kojo pon kruma wo ya enne oni MPP betina so as information minister o twa tro kire at a point nipa ewu kojo pon kan se nipa wu ye Joy News that den ba ye Esankuma, the same Esankuma we know, this criminal, this thief Esankuma Joy News that den ba ye. There are so many of them in the system. They were cleaned up by Joy News. And you people have to be very careful. Because Joy News is fake news, a dangerous news platform. Don't underestimate the damage Joy News can do. Right now, in their newsroom, their agenda is that they want to destroy NDC. They want to destroy John Mahama's government. They are doing everything possible because Ghanaians are not listening. They are forcing Jandam in the system.